Many people come to see me feeling frustrated and discouraged because pain has taken away the things that they love doing. They've tried to push through it on their own, and by the time they walk into my office, they're often exhausted and at their wits' end. Hi, I'm Dr. Kathy Temperato. I'm a physical medicine and rehabilitation physician at Florida Medical Clinic Orlando Health, specializing in interventional spine and pain management. My approach is simple. Knowledge is power. I start by really listening to your story. We go through your exam together, and I take the time to review your imaging, whether it's an X-ray or an MRI, so you truly understand what's going on in your body. When things make sense, decisions feel less overwhelming. From there, we focus on your goals. For one person, that might mean babysitting grandkids without pain. For another, it's finally taking a trip they've been putting off, or even dancing at their daughter's wedding. I'm very conservative in my treatment approach. Physical therapy is often the best place to start, not just to treat the problem, but to help prevent it from coming back. As a doctor of osteopathic medicine and someone certified in lifestyle medicine, I also believe recovery goes beyond procedures. We talk about things like movement, sleep, nutrition, and stress, because all of those things matter when it comes to healing. My goal is for you to leave feeling clear, informed, and confident about your next step. And the days I love the most are when a patient comes back and says, "Thank you. I'm finally able to do the things I couldn't do before."